Money is a powerful tool, but it can also be easily wasted. Have you ever stopped to think about how much you spend on unnecessary things? These expenses not only drain your wallet but also keep you from achieving true wealth. Today, we're uncovering 20 things you should never spend your money on if you want to get rich. And it's not just about saving, it's about applying stoic discipline to focus on what really matters and build a prosperous future. Are you ready to change your relationship with money? Let's get started. How often have you bought something just to impress others? Designer clothes, luxury cars, the latest gadgets. Most of the time, these purchases aren't for you, they're for others. Stoic philosophy teaches us to live according to our values, not other people's expectations. Every dollar spent on appearances is money that could be working toward your future. Additionally, studies show that people who prioritize material possessions for status often experience less satisfaction and happiness. Instead of chasing trends or luxury items, redirect those funds to investments or experiences that align with your personal goals. This shift not only enhances your financial health but also strengthens your sense of purpose. Remember, the goal isn't to deprive yourself but to focus on what truly adds value to your life. By doing so, you'll find greater peace and long-term fulfillment. Credit card interest is one of the biggest enemies of building wealth. Paying only the minimum might feel convenient, but the accumulated costs are staggering. Stoics believe in eliminating anything that controls us, and debt is one of the greatest forms of control. Pay it off quickly and free up your financial potential. For example, carrying a $5,000 balance on a credit card with a 20% annual interest rate could cost you over $1,000 in interest payments in just 1 year. That's money that could be invested or saved instead of being handed over to the credit card company. Understanding this is crucial to breaking the cycle of debt. The first step is to create a repayment plan, prioritizing high-interest debts. Focus your efforts on paying these off first while avoiding accumulating new balances. Over time, this will not only save you money but also reduce financial stress. Streaming services, gym memberships, club fees, or apps you rarely use are financial traps. These small monthly expenses can add up to thousands over a year. Stoicism promotes simplicity and intentionality. Assess what you truly use and cut out anything that doesn't add value to your life. A recent survey revealed that the average person spends over $200 per month on subscriptions, many of which they barely use. Take a moment to audit your recurring expenses. Identify services that no longer serve you and cancel them immediately. This simple exercise can free up a significant portion of your budget. By being more mindful of your spending habits, you'll not only save money but also gain a clearer understanding of what truly enhances your life. Focus on quality over quantity in all areas of spending. How often do you order delivery or grab fast food out of convenience? These small expenses pile up and can take a significant chunk of your budget. Stoic discipline encourages planning our actions. Cooking at home is not only cheaper but also an opportunity to practice simplicity and self-control. Consider this: spending $15 per meal on takeout 3 times a week adds up to over $2,000 a year. Meanwhile, preparing meals at home can cost a fraction of that. Beyond the financial benefits, cooking can also improve your health and provide a sense of accomplishment. To start, plan your meals for the week and make a shopping list to avoid unnecessary purchases. By sticking to this routine, you'll see significant savings while enjoying healthier and more satisfying meals. Designer clothes often don't offer much more than a logo. Stoics focus on utility and simplicity. Choose quality clothing that meets your needs rather than spending to show off. What matters is comfort and durability, not the label. The fashion industry thrives on creating a sense of urgency through trends. However, most of these items quickly lose their appeal or go out of style. Instead, invest in timeless pieces that are versatile and long-lasting. This approach not only saves money but also reduces decision fatigue when choosing what to wear. By prioritizing function over form, you can build a wardrobe that serves you better while reflecting a mindset of intentionality and confidence. True style comes from within, not from the price tag on your clothes. Every year, new devices hit the market promising to change your life. But do you really need the latest model? Stoics remind us to focus on utility, not vanity. If your current device works, why upgrade? Wait until a replacement is truly necessary and avoid unnecessary spending. Technology marketers excel at creating a fear of missing out, FOMO. They convince consumers that they need the newest features, even when those features are marginal improvements. Resist the urge to upgrade unless it's absolutely essential. By keeping your tech purchases intentional, you'll save money and reduce electronic waste. Plus, you'll learn to appreciate and maximize the utility of what you already have. A car is just a means of transportation. Yet, many people spend fortunes on luxury models or take on lengthy, expensive loans. Stoics prioritize functionality and real value. Choose a car that meets your needs without compromising your financial stability. The true cost of a car isn't just the sticker price, it's the ongoing expenses like insurance, maintenance, and fuel. Luxury cars often come with higher costs in all these areas. A reliable, fuel-efficient vehicle can serve you just as well without the financial strain. Focus on what you truly need in a car, and avoid being swayed by flashy features or brands. This will free up resources to invest in things that truly matter, like your future. Bank fees and penalties are avoidable expenses that reflect poor planning. Stoic philosophy values attention to detail and proactivity. Regularly check your accounts, keep a positive balance, and avoid paying for mistakes that could have been easily prevented. For instance, overdraft fees can cost $35 or more each time your account goes negative. Setting up alerts for low balances and automating payments can help you avoid these charges altogether. Being proactive with your finances is key. Small changes like switching to a no-fee account or negotiating fees with your bank can save you hundreds annually. Don't let negligence drain your hard-earned money. Decorating your home can be a joy, but excessive spending on decorations often leads to clutter and wasted money. Stoicism values simplicity and purpose in all aspects of life, including how you design your space. Before buying another vase or throw pillow, ask yourself if it truly adds value or if it's just filling a void. Research shows that decluttering can reduce stress and increase focus, creating a more peaceful living environment. By spending less on decor, you'll have more resources to invest in what genuinely matters, like meaningful experiences or personal growth. Stick to timeless pieces that serve a purpose and fit harmoniously within your home. This approach will save you money, reduce waste, and create a more intentional living space. Spending money on lottery tickets or gambling is like setting your cash on fire. The odds of winning are so low that you're more likely to be struck by lightning than hit the jackpot. Stoics emphasize focusing on what is within our control, and gambling relies purely on luck, a fleeting and unreliable force. The average American spends over $200 a year on lottery tickets. Imagine redirecting that money into a high-yield savings account or investments. Over time, the compound growth of those funds could provide real financial security instead of the false hope of sudden riches. Instead of gambling on uncertain outcomes, focus on building wealth through consistent and deliberate actions. True prosperity comes from discipline, not chance. Are you ready to take control of your money and build a secure future? Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell to stay updated on more tips like these. If you found this video helpful, give it a like and share it with someone who could benefit from these insights. Comment below and let us know which expense you plan to cut first. Your journey to financial freedom starts today, and we're here to support you every step of the way. Alcohol and lavish parties can drain your wallet faster than you realize. A single night out can cost hundreds of dollars, especially when expensive drinks and fancy venues are involved. Stoicism teaches us to find joy in meaningful experiences rather than fleeting indulgences. Excessive spending on social activities often masks deeper issues like boredom or the need for validation. Instead of splurging, consider hosting simple gatherings or participating in activities that foster genuine connection without breaking the bank. By focusing on quality over quantity in your social life, you'll not only save money but also build stronger, more authentic relationships. Investing in education is essential, but irrelevant courses and training programs are a waste of time and money. Many people sign up for programs that promise quick success but deliver little value. Stoics encourage us to prioritize what truly serves our goals and aspirations. Before enrolling in any course, ask yourself, will this directly contribute to my personal or professional growth? Research thoroughly to ensure that the program aligns with your needs and offers practical benefits. By choosing learning opportunities wisely, you'll maximize your investment in yourself and avoid unnecessary expenses. Education should empower you, not burden you. The saying, "You get what you pay for," rings true when it comes to cheap, low-quality products. While these items may save you money up front, they often cost more in the long run due to frequent replacements. Stoics teach us to value durability and practicality over short-term convenience. Investing in high-quality goods not only saves money over time but also reduces waste. For example, a well-made pair of shoes can last for years, whereas cheaper options might need replacing within months. This principle applies to everything from clothing to kitchen appliances. By prioritizing quality over price, you'll create a more sustainable and efficient lifestyle. Your future self will thank you for the thoughtful choices you make today. Gift giving is a wonderful gesture, but impulsive and expensive gifts can wreak havoc on your budget. Stoics remind us to focus on intention rather than extravagance. A meaningful, well-thought-out gift often carries more value than something flashy or costly. Plan your gifts in advance to avoid overspending. Look for options that are both affordable and personalized, such as handmade items or experiences that create lasting memories. The key is to show care and thoughtfulness, not to impress with price tags. By aligning your gifting habits with Stoic principles, you'll bring joy to others while maintaining your financial health. Chasing trends can be a costly habit. Whether it's fast fashion, the latest tech, or viral products, these fleeting fads often leave you with buyer's remorse. Stoicism encourages us to embrace timelessness and utility over temporary thrills. Trendy items are designed to go out of style quickly, compelling you to keep spending to stay in. Instead, invest in quality, classic pieces that serve you well for years. This mindset applies to all areas of life, from clothing to home decor. By resisting the urge to follow every trend, you'll save money and cultivate a more intentional lifestyle. Focus on what truly matters, not what's momentarily popular. Paying for spaces you don't use is an unnecessary financial drain. Whether it's a storage unit filled with forgotten items or an office that's rarely occupied, these expenses add up over time. Stoics remind us to simplify and let go of what no longer serves us. Evaluate whether you truly need the space you're paying for. Could you downsize, share the cost, or eliminate it altogether? For instance, decluttering your home might make that storage unit obsolete, saving you hundreds of dollars a year. By reassessing your needs, you'll free up resources and create a more efficient living and working environment. Many apps promise miraculous results, whether it's rapid weight loss, instant productivity, or overnight wealth. However, most fail to deliver on their lofty promises. Stoics encourage us to approach such claims with skepticism and focus on proven methods. Before subscribing, ask yourself if the app genuinely addresses a need in your life or if it's just a clever marketing gimmick. Read reviews, test free versions, and evaluate its actual value before committing to ongoing payments. By being selective about your subscriptions, you'll save money and avoid cluttering your digital life with unnecessary tools. Travel can be enriching, but turning it into a status symbol is a costly mistake. Stoicism teaches us to seek meaning and purpose in our experiences, not in how extravagant they appear. Luxury travel often prioritizes appearances over genuine connection. Instead of splurging on five-star hotels or first-class flights, consider alternative options like cultural immersion trips or budget-friendly adventures. These experiences often provide deeper satisfaction and lasting memories. By focusing on the essence of travel rather than its outward appeal, you'll create a more fulfilling and financially sustainable lifestyle. Shopping out of boredom is a dangerous habit. It offers temporary relief but often leads to regret and clutter. Stoics remind us to address the root cause of our dissatisfaction rather than seeking quick fixes. Instead of browsing online stores, channel your energy into productive activities like learning a new skill, exercising, or creating something meaningful. These alternatives provide lasting fulfillment without draining your bank account. By breaking the cycle of impulsive shopping, you'll save money and discover more enriching ways to spend your time. Eliminating unnecessary expenses is the first step toward financial independence. As the Stoic philosopher Seneca once said, "Wealth is achieved more easily by reducing desires than by increasing income." Now that you know how to focus on what truly matters, you're equipped to create a prosperous and fulfilling life. The journey begins with a single decision. What will yours be? Start today, and remember, simplicity and discipline are the keys to lasting success. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more content like this. Hit the notification bell so you never miss an update, and give this video a thumbs up if you found it valuable. Join our community in the comments below and share your thoughts. We'd love to hear from you.